Hello, grade 1 students. A very, very good morning to you all. How are you? Welcome to your day 4 of week 6, right? And this is your literacy class. Yes, this is your literacy class. And today we are going to learn some new words. Okay? Some new words we are going to learn today. So, can you all see my turkey on the board? Yes, isn't it very, very cute? Yes. Now, this is a word turkey. It has so many different words on its tummy, right? So let's read them, okay? Let's read all these words. Now, what is this word? It is a bill, try, sniff, pill, press, maid, cat, hill, cup, road, cake, puff, fuss, said, and made. Now, these are the different words which are written on this turkey, right? The turkey has so many different words, right? Okay. Now, when I read those words, what comes into your mind? What type of words are these? I'm going to repeat them again. Bill, sniff, cup, road, cake, pill, press, puff, maid, try, cat, hill, sad, and fuss. Now, what type of words are these? These are, can you find some similar words there? Yes, great. Now, what are the similar words? Bill, bill, and bill, and which one? Pill. Correct. They have double L at the end. Bill, pill, hill. These all words they have double L. So that is why they rhyme with one another. Bill, pill, hill. Right? Now let's see. Are there other words? Sniff. It has double F. And what other word has double F? You can say puff. It also has a double F at the end. Sniff, puff. They all both have double F. Now let's come to other word. Cup. Does anybody other word has CUP at the end? No. Road? No. Cake? No. Cake rhymes with made? No. Okay. So now let's move on. Let's say press. It has double S at the end. So is there any word that has double S at the end? Yes, that is a word fuss. F-U double S. Fuss. So these are the words that have different letters at the end. Now, actually, what is our topic today? Well, our topic is double L, double F, and double S words. Now, like you have seen in over here in my turkey, there are the double L words. You have seen it here. Double L words are pill, bill, and hill. They all have double S at the L at the end, right? And what are the words that have double F? You can say, yes, sniff and puff. They both have double F at the end, right? Now let's see double S words. Press, it has double S, and fuss, they also have double S. So these are the double S, double F, and double L words. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a video And that again is our adverb video. Do watch that video later on after this class. Also, you can watch that video. It's going to help you out. Okay? Are you all ready to see the video and excited? Great. Now let's move on. Let's see the video. There you go. Can you see my screen, students? Yes? All right. There you go.
Hello! Double F, double L, M double S, FFLLSS. These are called flossy words. Whichever word has these at the end, they're called flossy words. And the alphabet before them is a vowel. I, E, U. And to complete that word, there's a flossy word end of it. Like cliff, bell, fuss, and many more of these. They're all called flossy words. They have I, E, U before them to complete the word. Flossy words.
Okay. So actually, what these words are called flossy words, right? Like you have seen in the video, they are called flossy words and they have a vowel I, E and U before them. And these flossy words, they might have double L, double F and double S at the end of the word. And before double L, double S or double S, they have a vowel that is I, E and U. Okay, like you have seen in the video also. Very good. Now, I'm going to ask you something that now you will tell me these words, any other words apart from them. You are going to tell me from your own knowledge, from your own mind, what are other type of these words. Okay, I'm going to write them on my whiteboard here so that it's visible for you also and you can easily see those words. Okay, now come on, let's move. First we are going to do the double L words, the words that have double L at the end. Come on, tell me. You can say a bell. Okay, all right. What other word is double L word? Come on quickly. Double L words, right? You can say a bill, correct. Bill, correct. Okay, very good. Now let's come to double F words. All right, tell me double F. The words that have double F at the end. All right, you can say uh, fuss. No, sorry, not fuss. It will be puff. Then sniff, correct. Okay. Now let's come to double S. All right. You can say the words that has double S at the end. Kiss. Okay. Then another word you can say fuss. All right. So these are different words which have these flossy words. Actually, they are called. Okay. Now let's make one sentence from these words. Okay. Now we will take the first word, that is a bill. Come on, quickly make a sentence of bill. You can say, this is our electricity bill. All right, let me write it down. This is our electricity bill. Right? Okay. Now another word is sniff. My baby brother likes to sniff a lot. Right? Okay. Now, kiss. My mom always kiss me in the morning. Right? My mother always kiss me in the morning. So see, these are different words and we have used them in the sentence also. And what these words are called, children? These are the flossy words, right? And they have these two letters at the end, and before them they have a vowel, and vowel can be I, it can be E, and it can be a U, right? Okay, now is the time for you to do the task. And what is our task today? You have to open page number 40. If you have 40 in your, if you have your Nelson English in front of you, quickly open page 40 and do part number A and B. A and B. You have to write down these words according to their heading. The words are given in the word box, and then you have to choose from the word box and write the double L word in the double L portion, and double F and double S words in their portions. And I'm going to give you 7 minutes to do this task. Your time starts now. All right, now time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Have you done the work? Can you show me your work? Wow, you have written all double F words, all double L words, and double S words. Very good. Great job. Good. Very good. Now, what is your homework? Now you have to make sentences with these words in your notebook. I'm not going to ask you to make sentences right now because we have already done few sentences. So you are going to do this work for your homework. You are going to make sentences with these words, all of them, okay, in your notebooks. And if you are unable to make, although I don't think so, you will be having any issue in making sentences because these are very simple words. If you have any issue, then you can leave the work and we will discuss it in our next class, and that will be next week, right? So that means what we have discussed in the class? We have discussed the flossy words and that have double L, double F, and double S at the end. Wow, great. Now it's the time to wrap up. This was what we did in the class. Now, quickly in wrapping session, we are going to do the rhyming words. I'm going to tell you one rhyming word, one word, and you have to say another word that rhymes with that word. Okay? Now, my word is cake. Come on, quickly. Bake, make. Very good. Now, my another word is a doll. Ball, call. Very good. Doll, ball, call. All right. My other word is shop. Mop, hop, shop. They all rhyme with one another. Great. My another word is clown. Down, town, clown. They all rhyme with each other. Wow, great job, my class. It's so intelligent. They are very smart children, right? Okay, now tell me one thing. Did you enjoy your class? Did you like my turkey? My word turkey? This one? Yes? Now remember all these words that we discussed in the class? Remember how these words are spelled. They have a vowel before the ending, right? And remember how to make sentences. How? You always start a sentence with a capital letter ended with a full stop if it's a simple sentence. But if it is a telling sentence, right? But if it's an asking sentence, what are you going to do then? Yes, you are going to put a question mark. Do remember all these things and do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal and which I have already explained to you. All right. Okay, children. Bye bye. See you next week. Have a nice weekend. Bye.